Firstly, make sure you have your ISO file ready. If you need to, download VirtualBox. After you're done installing it, proceed to open it. Click on New. Here insert a name that you want. Now, choose as much RAM as you want, but remember, your host has to be able to operate on some of it, so don't assign 100%. The difference between these options is how operating systems rate it. Dynamic size lets you assign memory dynamically, i.e., it doesn't assign 100% from the start but rather assigns it as the memory grows inside of the machine. Make sure to increase the video memory size. It's like choosing how much memory a virtual graphics card should have. Now assign the number of cores. It's the same thing as with RAM. Here choose your ISO file. Here you can leave with NAT, but because of the future use of this machine, I'll choose bridged and internal cards. After you're done setting up the machine, you can proceed to turn it on. Select the ISO as your boot disk. Choose Try or install Ubuntu. Choose your language. If you don't want to install yet and you want to try it out, choose Try Ubuntu. If you want to install it, choose Install Ubuntu. Select your keyboard type. If you can't find yours, try this. If you want the full experience immediately after the installation is complete, choose Normal. I don't need that, so I've chosen Minimal. It is recommended to download third-party software, because you won't have to have fun with that. I will cover that in the future. But for now, remember, if you choose the first option, all of your data on your disk will disappear. And because of the fact that this is a virtual machine, there is nothing to erase. Choose your time zone. Select your name and password, which you'll use.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
As you can see, the installation is complete. The only thing left to do is restart the machine and make sure the ISO file is no longer attached.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Empty.